Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 10 reasons why I believe that Note 8 is a much superior phone than iPhone 10. Now this is not to say that iPhone 10 is not a good phone. It's a great phone, and while it may be enough to wow some previous iPhone users, I think it's going to take more than that to wow Note 8 users. So let's go ahead and let me tell you about these 10 things that makes Note 8 a much superior phone than iPhone 10. The first thing that I want to talk about is this S Pen that comes with Note 8. Now anyone who has used a Note phone before knows how formidable an S Pen can be. It lets you do things that you cannot do otherwise on any phone. It lets you take notes when the screen is turned off on your Note 8. It allows you to take a screenshot of a certain part of the display and then pin it to the screen and go on and using your phone. It even allows you to extract text from your screenshots and copy them and share them. It lets you translate stuff, and it lets you write live messages in the form of GIFs, and then you can share them in the form of GIFs on any platform that you want. Now the next feature is multitasking on Note 8, and it's true multitasking. Now while on iPhone 10 you can simply swipe up and wait for the app switcher to come on and you can jump between apps, on Note 8 we have true multi-window support. We have app pairs, which allows you to launch two apps side by side. You can launch apps as floating windows, move them around and minimize them. And then we have got glance feature here, so this allows you to minimize the screen while you go on and do other stuff, and then you can simply hover your S Pen on it to get back the app. On Note 8 we have got this curved display, and with that comes edge panels. So simply swipe from the edge and you have edge panels. Now you can literally keep anything here. You can keep app shortcuts, app pairs that allows apps to launch in pairs in multi-window. You can keep your contacts here, your tools, and your device maintenance settings. You can even download more and keep more sports scores, finance and whatnot. And you can go in Galaxy App Store and download even more that suits you better, and you can keep everything at just the touch of your thumb. Now we also have game tools on Note 8 which are targeted directly to the gamers, and we get this game launcher here which allows us to launch games in high performance mode, in power saving mode, or in normal performance mode. We can launch the games muted, we can block alerts during the games. If you launch and play the game, you get even more options here. So you can lock the navigation key, you can lock the edge screen, you can take a screenshot of the game, you can record your gameplay, and then you can change the settings of recording. You can record yourself from the front camera, you can record your audio, you can mute it. So a lot of gaming features on this phone. We also have a dual messenger on Note 8. So if we go in settings and go in advanced features, we will see this dual messenger here. So dual messenger allows us to use two copies of the similar app with two different accounts. We don't have that on iPhone 10, but we do have it on Note 8. So here you can use two Facebook apps with two different accounts, two WhatsApp with two different numbers, and so on and so forth. So every app that supports this feature appears here. We also have always on display on Note 8 that allows you to show time or any other information even when the screen is turned off. And then you can even change what you want to show on your always on display. You can show digital clock, analog clock, world clock, calendar, yourself, and edge clocks. And if you go in here, you can even change the clock style, you can change the color, you can change the background. So you can truly give your phone a distinct look and a distinct always on display. On Note 8 we also get a ton of battery saving features. So if you're running out of battery, you have got a complete control over your battery and how you can actually control and save the battery. So you can go in battery features here, you can turn on mid power saving mode, max power saving mode, that completely shuts down everything else and gives you just the basics. And if I tap any of these battery saving features, it gives me additional customization options. So I can change the brightness, screen resolution, speed limiter, background network usage, always on display. So simply go in here and change whatever you want to change, and you get the complete control on your phone's battery. On iPhone 10 you have to turn on the display and then swipe to the left to launch the camera. On Note 8 you can double tap the power button and it will launch the camera no matter wherever you are and whatever you are doing on this phone. Double tap the power button and it will take you directly to the camera. Now the next is scrolling screenshot. So if you want to take a long screenshot of a page like a stream of Facebook or Twitter, you have that option on Note 8. So let's just say that we're in settings and we have got this huge page and I want to take a screenshot. So press the power button and the volume down button. It takes a screenshot, give us an option here, scroll capture. Tap on it and it scrolls up and gives you this one long screenshot. There you go. And on iPhone 10, you can tap the power button and volume up button to take the screenshot, and that's about it. You can go ahead and edit it and just write on it and then share it and save it, but all of that also exists on Note 8. And in the end, did I mention that Note 8 has headphone jack, so you can attach any headphones to it and listen to your music. So before I end this video, there are some honorable mentions, so I'll go through them really quickly. Note 8 also has got fast charging. iPhone 10 also supports fast charging, but the fast charger is not included in the box. You have to buy it separately from Apple, and that costs around $70. Now Note 8 also has LED light here, so it tells you if you get any notifications. Now on Note 8 we also have secure folder that allows you to keep your files hidden and secure, and you can add apps here, you can download apps here, and whatever you will do on those apps, or you will take any photos in this secure folder, and the stuff that you keep in your gallery will be hidden and safe from anyone that you want it safe from. We also have wallpaper and themes here, so you can completely change the look of your phone and apply any of these themes, and it will give you a distinct look, change how your settings look, change how the dialog look and your apps look. You can download icons as well and always on displays, as I've told you already. Lastly, we can also add an SD card of up to 256 gigs on Note 8 that can double the storage on your phone. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 10 reasons why I believe that Note 8 is a superior phone than iPhone 10. Don't forget to watch the other video where I've told 10 reasons why I believe that iPhone 10 is a better phone than Note 8. And with that, I will end this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.